Route 9, Aberdeen. It's got a 3-car garage, as you can see right there. And let's go in here and take a look. We've got a really nice courtyard area up front. Pretty private. Nice and quiet here. And here you have sliding glass doors on the side to go into the family room. And you got double doors, easy to move in and out of. And here you have the living room. This former living room. And you can see, look at all the woodwork. So it's got mahogany. This is African mahogany floors. Just gorgeous floors. And look at the coffer ceilings in here. Just absolutely stunning woodwork in this house. And this is the formal dining area here. Again, more solid wood doors. And here we have the kitchen. All stainless appliances. Got a brand new stainless hood here. Double ovens. Nice. And here's like a breakfast nook. Got more storage here. So this is more like the family room. And it has speakers all built in here. And look at the ceiling again. More beautiful woodwork. A lot of attention to detail in this house. And here you've got a new skylight that they put in. And a bar area. Okay. Then we've got our downstairs bath. Yeah, let's go take a look in the backyard. There's a generous backyard, especially for Irvine. So you've got this little upper deck right here. As you can hear, nice and quiet. And pretty private. It's got a pretty high wall in the back. So, and you've got an upper deck. That's the master bedroom deck right there. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. And you've got this bridge, which is pretty cool. Gives you a great view of the living room here. You have a linen area here for towels and such. And on the right, we've got the master with its double doors. It does have its own balcony, looking over the backyard. And plenty of living room here. And it's got cathedral ceilings. And the bathroom has a brand new deep soaking tub. And his and her sinks with a quartz countertop there too. And then large master closet. Lots of illumination. And the shower area has all been modernized. All right, let's go down the hall and take a look at the other bedrooms here. All right, the first thing on our left is the main bathroom for this floor. And again, you have dual sinks here, so the kids don't have to fight over sinks. And you've got a bathtub here. And you have a bath here, and another linen closet for towels. And the first bedroom on the right here has a Murphy bed. So this bed actually folds up into the wall, so you have plenty of room to turn it into a playroom or office. You can leave it as an office until guests arrive, and then fold down the bed instantly. Has a really large triple closet. Oh, and look at the interior of the closet. All cedar wood with actual wooden, real wood shelves and drawers. Very nice. And all the closets have that. So take a look at this third bedroom here, and same kind of thing. So take a look at the, whoops, got an extra screen in there. So this one has the shelving units, the adjustable shelves. You can adjust them whatever height you like. But again, it has the cedar back planking. And this is unique about these rooms. So it has a double doors here. You can actually open and connect these two rooms if you needed a bigger room for some event or some reason. Okay, and then we come into the fourth bedroom, and you can see it has more built-in closet and then shelves, again with the cedar backing. All right, and out here we have a view from the hall of the front yard. It's a beautiful house, lots of high quality workmanship put into it, and really high quality woods imported from all over the place. So if you're interested in this, you're looking for something that's a little unique but also super high quality, give us a call. 949-298-0727. Thank you, and have a good day.